Welcome to Citadel Watch. We present to your attention wristwatches that you can buy us. Introducing.
Today, I'm reviewing a watch that immediately makes a statement. This is not just an accessory, but a carefully crafted piece that combines style, engineering, and presence. The Rado R15378159 represents classic Swiss quality in a modern execution. From the very first glance, it leaves a strong impression with its restrained yet expressive design. The case is made of ceramic, a material that not only looks premium, but is also highly resistant to wear and scratches. With a 42mm diameter, the watch sits confidently on the wrist without feeling bulky. It strikes an ideal balance between sporty presence and elegant classic style. The rubber strap deserves special attention. It's comfortable, flexible, and perfect for everyday wear. The length is up to 20 centimeters with the option to adjust, and the ceramic butterfly clasp adds a sense of refinement and reliability.
The dial is deep black, featuring clean steel hands and markers with luminous coating. It remains highly legible in the dark, while during the day it stands out with its minimalistic aesthetic. Everything feels cohesive and thoughtfully designed. The sapphire crystal provides excellent scratch resistance, and inside is a mechanical movement with automatic winding, a true classic appreciated by watch enthusiasts. It runs accurately and smoothly, and all functions, including the chronograph and date, work flawlessly. With water resistance up to 100 meters, the watch is well suited for everyday situations, whether it's rain, hand washing, or even swimming. As for the condition, the watch is in excellent shape. It has been very carefully stored with no noticeable defects. Fully functional and visually impressive, it's ready to impress its next owner. Overall, this is a versatile timepiece. It pairs just as well with a business outfit as it does with a more casual look. It's a watch for those who appreciate the blend of technology, design, and true Swiss craftsmanship. If you're looking for something that does more than just tell time, something that reflects character, this model is definitely worth your attention. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new videos. Have a great day and happy shopping. Best wishes, Citadel Watch.